Happy Wednesday, everybody. So today I'm going to continue looking at different tools or concepts to be able to manage your entire Power BI ecosystem, footprint, workspaces, however you want to see it. Um, I'm going to go today into using PowerShell and using PowerShell to actually programmatically connect to my workspace and bring back data from that workspace. So what I like about these approaches is you're not looking at like one model or one report. You can start interacting with your entire workspace and bringing back all of your data regarding your models or a lot of content that's available to you, like your metadata and stuff like that. And if you get really fancy, you can actually loop through whatever workspaces you have access to. So I'm going to go about this in a way, I'm actually going to use ChatGPT to help me with the script so you can kind of get a sense of how you can ask ChatGPT to help you with that. And then I'm going to use PowerShell to run those scripts. Um, I am including a article from Radicad on the PowerShell uh, that we're going to be using here. And I highly recommend kind of going through this. There's a lot of content on the internet, articles, things like that, that you can look at yourself. But if you're wanting more ability to programmatically work with your workspace, I highly recommend starting to dig into this because it's you can do that and it's available. You just have to know how to. And with PowerShell and with AI and ChatGPT and Copilot and things like that, it's pretty easy nowadays to be able to do this. So I'm gonna jump into ChatGPT and get started with asking my questions. You can kind of see how I have this set up. I have my PowerShell over here, then I'll ask my question over here. So I'm going to say, can you give me a PowerShell script that connects to my Power BI workspace and returns uh, what workspaces I have access to. So something simple. We'll see what it gives me back. Okay, so I'm going to install a module and then I can export it here. So let's get started here. So I'm just copying this. I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to run it, see if that runs. Okay, so that has ran. Now I'm going to do the next one. Actually, I'll do it like this. Probably could have paired them together and run those at the same time, but we'll do this. Okay, so what do we got here? I'm gonna kind of see if I can get this running like that. Okay, so I'm connecting to my workspace now, and you can see now I have all of the workspaces, the name of it here, the employee workspace, and just some content on it. So very easy. Now let's see if we can take this further. Can you adjust this and return uh, the reports as well? Okay, and I'm not exporting to CSV, so I'm going to keep that first connection right there. So I'll do that, and I am going to run it. It's asking me to log in again. And I get the export of workspace name, report. So it's now giving me export of my reports. So very easy, not hard, and you can start programmatically working with your workspaces. And this just opens the door for a lot of cool things. You can start connecting to it, running DAX queries off of a data set, grabbing back metadata, and that just opens the door, in my opinion, a lot of ways to understand how well or how is your Power BI ecosystem doing, what's out there. You can start searching through it and finding stuff really easily. I know I personally have ran into that problem a few years ago. I was like, where is everything? How do I find it? these concepts start opening the door for you to be able to do that. And AI really gives you the ability to take maybe a language that you didn't fully understand or know and use it. It helps you. I recommend, highly recommend, if you are managing a workspace or an admin in a workspace or multiple workspaces, start learning this stuff. This is big. This will help you in a lot of different ways. So I hope you enjoyed this. I will talk to you later. Have a good day, everybody.